What's up YouTube? Back with another video. This is the second part to the build series. But in today's video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be replacing this handlebar. As you saw in one of my videos, I was on that little track I found and I fell. And I barely even fell, honestly. Like, it was the softest fall, but it still managed to bend this handlebar. It actually bent right there, and it's just slanted down a little bit. It's not even big. I'm definitely going to keep this bar as a backup, but we're going to be throwing on the Pro Taper SC bar, and we're going to be throwing on the Pro Taper grips, and we're going to be throwing on the red shorty levers. So yeah, let's just jump right into it and get started. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off these. These are 8mm, and then we're going to take off that kill switch. It's just one screw with a little nut, and then take off this one again. These are 8mm, there's two of them, and then take off the throttle tube, which is just two screws, one on the top and on the bottom. So we're just going to go ahead and get started and get all this stuff off right now. Honestly, I think this bike is a perfect beginner mechanic bike to help teach you how to work on bikes, because this bike has so many problems. I've only owned it for 3 weeks now, maybe 2.5 weeks. I've only ridden it 5 times and I've already had fucking problems. It's just, I don't know. It's a cool bike, but it's you're working on it more than you're riding. Now let's get back to doing this. Alright, well, we got the handlebars off, or the risers, bars off. Now we're going to go ahead and throw on the Pro Taper bar. So let's get to it. Alright, well, I got the handlebars mounted on. I think it looks pretty sick so far. We'll go ahead and finish it up. Added a little bit of an angle just because I'm a little taller, so I want my arms a little straighter out. But it's not that much of a difference. Normally they were, I think, like right there. So yeah, get to it, finish it up. This little screw and nut thing that came with the brake lever is a 10mm on the bottom and the 5/32 X. There we go. There we go. Alright. Actually, I think I messed up. I think I'm supposed to put the actual whole lever. Yeah. Yep. So this one's not just this one's the whole thing. Alright, I gotta take it off again. Alright, well, it's all done. I think it looks sick. I think it looks really dope. Got the pillow top grips. Throttle's working, brakes working. The only thing I don't like is this clutch is really, it's like barely a 2-finger gap. So you like that. You can't even do a 2-finger because it has like that much room. Look at that. It's not even letting me go. I have to go all the way on the outside to do 2-finger. But other than that, I think it looks sick. I think it matches really well. I think everything on it looks dope. So if you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe button, and stay tuned for more build videos. I got a lot more stuff coming, so stay tuned for that. Please, again, hit that like button, subscribe button, share this. So stay tuned until next time. Peace.